Hello everybody. Today we make a nice scallops on the barbecue. Oh, look at that. Okay, scallops go. Take a time. All right. And now what I do, I thread each one separate. Okay, good. Now we close if this 2 minutes.
It's that quick? What's the temperature?
The temperature was almost 500, but when you open the door, it dropped. But right away it go up again. Let's just say maybe it's a big scallop. Let's just say 3 minutes on this side over here.
Okay.
After we check 3 minutes, and let's just say, okay, it's a 58. 61. Yeah.
So what's the what are you gonna do with the scallops after?
Now the scallops after I go inside, I got my nice small tomato, and I saute with the garlic and oil. When the scallop is ready, I go over there with the spaghetti, and we do with the spaghetti. All right. Now let's see over here. Look how beautiful. You see the temperature already reached 425. It go fast eye. Okay, you want to see one?
Let's check it out.
Okay, you check one. You see the color already?
Looking good. Smells good too.
Yeah, it smells really good. I put salt and black pepper. Okay, let me see my watch over here.
Hey, what's up, Tony? How's the flat grill? Where did you get that one from for the barbecue?
The barbecue, I was by what do you call it? Ace, super. It was a super stain before.
Mm.
Yeah, it's in Long Branch. Okay, now it's a time we turn the other side.
All right.
And let's start over here.
Hey, Leslie, how are you? Got Tampa Bay in the house. Ace Hardware, is that what it is?
Look how beautiful color. Look at that. And make sure to not cook it too long the scallops, because they come too dry.
How many cups of scallops you got here?
Well, you got to. Who's this? He asking me this question.
Just me. Yeah, those are the fig trees back there. You got figs? Yeah, you can see them.
Yes.
Well, I'll zoom in for you. You can see the heat coming off the grill.
All right. All the scallops that's done. I got this one in there.
So you said about 3 minutes each side?
Yeah. Okay, now I was turn all. Let me see what time. It's 7:01, 7:03, or 7:04. This it's done.
Okay. And then we'll walk right inside, right?
Yeah. And we bring everything inside.
You need to get another...
Okay.
We got a lot of out-of-towners and tourists coming into Long Branch. That's what we got going on here.
All right.
Seasoning with salt and black pepper. That's it, right?
Yes, salt and black pepper, a little oil, not too much oil. Okay. A little bit more.
Where'd you get the scallops?
This scallops. Wait, what do we? Oh, Restaurant Depot.
Oh, okay.
But this it's dry. You call it dry scallops.
So they're not injected with like a liquid to keep them preserved?
Yeah, this is a dry scallops, it called. It's a little bit more money, but it's really, really good. And it got a good taste when you eat.
And it's almost time for wine, right?
Oh yeah, after the wine, I'm not gonna go no place. Maybe you gotta raid. I don't want to go no place. The wine, but you need the wine. You know, you eat after you be choke. You gotta be a little wet, you know. Look at that. Huh?
Wow.
Let me check one, what it look like. Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful, look. Okay?
So you didn't have to pat dry them, right? Because they're not wet, so they're dry, right? You didn't have to...
No. Listen, now something else I want to say. You buy, you call it dry scallops, but you gotta wash. I wash after I put in a paper towel, and you dry, but you call it dry. Inside, it's really dry. Okay, now this is ready, and let's start to take it out. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look, huh?
There it is.
And now.
Wow.
Now this one, I go inside, I gotta put inside the tomato, already I sauteed the little tomato, and you put it inside and cook a little bit more to give you a good taste with the tomato.
So you didn't buy it in a bag, right? It was all fresh from the fish market? Or how did it come?
No. This it come already, it called a dry scallop.
So on the bag it says it?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, one I lost over there.
Oh no. The barbecue gods. But the one scallop
The
god.
barbecue is hungry.
You got to feed them once in a while, right? We'll save that one for next week. We'll see if it's cooked next time. Thanks for the stars, everybody. Appreciate that. Oh, you got it. It didn't fall all the way through.
Okay, now what I gotta do, let me turn the gas off, Jeremy. I don't want to burn everything.
All right, here we go. Close up. Think I could steal one before he comes back?
You see, this, it's no propane I use. It's a natural gas. You know, I open and close. Now we turn this off, and we close. And after I gotta come and clean up. You see the mess?
You don't just leave it like that?
But then, no, after I gotta clean up, you gotta come in nice and clean. Okay, now we go inside.
All right, follow cam. I was close. I almost stole one, but I wasn't fast enough.
Okay. Now.
Flashlight's on.
It's on? Mm-hmm. The flashlight's on, everybody. Okay, now it's off.
Okay, look, this is the tomato I did already. And you put it right over here. I may not give it to you, Jeremy.
Couple hundred.
Couple of hundred. Okay, I think it's 5.
Wait, you're only putting 5 in there?
You want to put all?
Or yeah, I guess on the put what, like 4 each?
Okay, I put all.
Yeah, that's good. So you're gonna put the pasta in here, right?
Yeah. All right, and now.
Let us know how the sound is. Sorry if you didn't have the microphone today.
Okay, let's just see the pasta.
Is it al dente?
The pasta is standing up.
Remember when you were on Dr. Oz? And he was like, al dente. He said al dente.
No, al dente. Dandaliere? No. Al dente.
Like teeth.
Al dente, it's a strengthen up. You pick it up with the spaghetti, you go boom on the seal. Okay, now the pasta.
Okay, Google, shut up.
Okay, Google, stop. I got my spaghetti ready now.
Those tomatoes from your garden, or?
Yes. Yes, I got so many little tomatoes. I pick it up today. And I said today we gotta make a scallop.
We got to show everybody what you made yesterday.
Okay, we gotta turn the gas off over here. Okay. And let's make a shoe. I don't want to turn too much with this. I don't want to mess up my scallop. But what I do,
You got the flick of the wrist.
look at that.
Woo. What about some more fresh basil in there?
Fresh basil. You know how many basil I got outside? You don't believe it. Look at that. Somebody said, what are you gonna do with this all this basil? No worry about it. I use the basil.
You don't use the knife though?
No, no knife. You use the knife, you lose the juice. I like the juice. Look at that.
That's so green.
So green, you don't see not yet. I give him more green.
Dang, you're fast.
And now, all right. And I think maybe let's put a little water, maybe. A little drop, but not too much. Okay? Like this, it's okay. Good. And we give it now.
Oh, look at that. Now it's getting saucy.
And make it nice. And now look at this. Beautiful. And now I got my dish.
You want to see a magic trick? I'm going to show you a magic trick. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Somehow it just came out of the phone. Wow, look at that.
Ooh, that's what I waited for.
The people on Facebook sent it to you.
Salute e cin cin everybody. Thank you so much to look at this video. Cin cin. Salute. Oh, nice glass of wine. Look at it. It's too small for me. All right, now let's put a little pasta like this. And I want to put some scallop on the top. I just this is to show to everybody what it looks like. I got to eat the pasta. Okay? And we got over here.
They like your outfit tonight.
Yeah. You don't know what happened today. I was to go to the store. I was to go. Somebody said, Pasquale, you look so good. Do you marry? I said, yeah, I got a wife. Oh, okay. I ask,
Just in case?
Ask, nobody make a mistake. You ask. Okay, so.
The best?
Really, really good. But look how beautiful look these scallops.
Nice and big.
Salute cin cin, and thank you so much to look at this video, and we see you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cin cin.